Recoritas, welcome to my channel. I'm Sanchez and I'm very happy for today's video because today we're going to be talking about Tick Tock. And yes, a lot of you waited for so long for this new upgrade of Musical.ly, and then all of a sudden we woke up and it was not Musical.ly anymore, it was Tick Tock. So if you want to know a little bit more of this, just stay tuned until the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also you can follow me on any of my social medias at kalibsanchez. With no further ado, let's start. Okay, so the first great change that Musical.ly had was obviously the name Tick Tock, and it is just a different icon, you know, on the app section on the screen, but still we can see the sign of Musical.ly, you know, that little thing that looks like a snake. We still see it on red, but basically we're TikTokers now and not musers anymore, but that's just basic. Once you open the app, actually, basically all the features are like the same. You have like the following section and the for you section, but there are some tiny things that we can appreciate that are different. Basically, we all kept the same number of followers, the same hearts, the same people we were following too, and well, now I just realized that when you edit your profile, and that's what happens. I have like a long profile because I did it with the the old version, but then when you hit on your profile, you can see that now you just can have like a very tiny description of yourself. So that's why I haven't changed mine, because if I try to do it, it will just let me know that I already exceeded the maximum character limit. So that's why I just don't do it. I just kept it the same way, and you can see it says profile description is over 80 characters. So now you can't have a description over 80 characters, which for me technically it's super short. So if you already have a profile that is longer than 80 characters, then just keep it like that, because technically you won't be able to save a new profile like that. The second thing that I love about Tick Tock is that if you didn't have the latest version of Musical.ly, well, maybe you didn't know, but now with Tick Tock, everybody automatically gets to go to the saved like a label, like a tag, and you can find video, hashtags, and sounds. So basically you can now save as favorite any hashtag you like, just to do it later, any sound you like, it doesn't matter if it belongs to any account, and also videos. Besides liking the videos, which are obviously stored in your liked sections when you're giving hearts, you can have your videos, your hashtags, and your sounds. And of course, if you have a sound that you like and you're planning to do, like let's say this one, you know, so you can just, you know, after using it or whatever, you can just again unsave it, like remove it from your favorite list, and that's it. Very simple, very easy. So whenever you're just scrolling up and down on your Musical.ly and you see something that you would like to try, you just save it. Either it's a hashtag, or it's a video, or it's a sound. As easy as that. The third thing I love about Tick Tock is the amazing amount of filters that we have. They're so much fun and also funny. You can find like tons of them. Just you go to that section and you see the trending ones. There are the ones that are being used the most by everybody, and then you can also find the face filters, which of course are faces only, and then you have the ARs and the 3D masks, you know. I'm gonna try, and of course you can try different filters in just one single video. So I'm gonna try to make a video right now with one of the filters so you can see it. Okay, let's try this one that is very like summery. Let's turn my camera and let me pick a sound. Okay, I think I like it, so I'll just save it to drafts so I can post it later. Maybe I'll see what hashtag I'll use, but basically you can use that one. I mean, any filter you want. Now, another thing I love about Tick Tock, and this is the fourth one, is that whenever you are recording a video, you can go to your, let's see, to your favorites. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, let's say you pick a video that has like different parts and you want to do it with different filters and maybe different locations. So now if you don't really have help or not much help, you can use this tiny clock that is here, you know, and you just select up to when you want to do it, and then once you select, you know, you start the countdown and you can do it just this way.
Which lover are you? The shy lover.
See, and then for the next part you can just apply a filter, let's say this one, and then you do the same thing, like from another angle. See, I'm not gonna finish the whole video, but that's the point. When you do it, as you see, well, it was not quite accurate, but you got the idea. So you can use different filters, different faces in the same video, and you can just record yourself even if you don't have help. Then the timer now works by blocks, which is totally amazing, and you can totally do that, and that's so great. And the last one, the last thing I love about TikTok is that we've been having a lot of issues with going live with Musical.ly. I don't know, especially the ones who go live, not the ones who go watch it, but the ones who go live. We've having the last 2 months a lot of issues with going live. You know that lively.ly just collapsed, so the app doesn't exist anymore, so we all had to go through Musical.ly to watch the lives and to go live. And now with TikTok it's not any different, but now it's super simple. Like, you go to the plus sign, you know, on your profile, you go to your profile, you go to the plus sign, and then at the bottom it says video or live. So you just go live, you add a title, let's say welcome Tick Tock, and that's enough. You go live, just as simple as that. So now I'm going live. Of course, I'm just gonna finish the live right now because I'm not gonna stay there, but basically that's what you do. Okay, I'm gonna finish the live before anybody goes online. Ta-da! And yeah, that's basically it. When you end the live, you can see how many people were online, how many emoji loves you got, the duration of your life, and also the gifts you got. And well, basically, as you can see, TikTok is now just like a better version of Musical.ly. So basically, as you can see, between Musical.ly and TikTok, there are not like super huge, enormous differences, but there are quite some of them, you know. Like, basically TikTok is like a better version of Musical.ly, and even though some people don't like the new name, well, I'm very happy to belong to that family. So if you haven't downloaded the app yet, you should do it, and you can also follow me there at kalibsanchez. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on any of my social medias at kalibsanchez, of course, TikTok as well. I love you very much, and if you want to know anything else, or if you have any idea about another video you want, just let me know in the comments. I love you all.